The first step to making a better McDonald's Egg McMuffin, also known as a McDonald's Egg McMuffin for trademark purposes, is to go into an English bog and get some fresh English muffins. Not that processed stuff. Now that one's perfectly ripe. If you don't have access to an English bog, just go into your French garden and grab some French muffins, then teach them how to be English. It's like wine, but you can eat it. It's like cheese you can drink. It's like an accordion, but it sounds good. Now we're gonna toast one of these. When you buy one from the restaurant, they seem to toast it like this. Now you don't want to toast it until it's like this. Toast it until it's like this. Now that's a perfect toaster crumpet. There are a couple approaches to making a McMuffler-friendly round egg. The first is through advanced geometric wangangulation to get the right shape. But if you start with the roundest egg you can find, then take the roundest mason jar lid you can find, spray it with cooking spray, and then crack that egg inside. Then break the egg, add some salt and pepper, then pour in a bit of water and cover it to baste it for a couple minutes. Then you don't even need to flip it and it comes out perfect. And if your hot plate is in the shop, you can always do the old microwave trick. Salt, pepper, put it in the microwave, turn it on, take it out. Now that's a perfectly round egg. A bit thick, but that's fine. Let's see here. Let's try the McMedium. For this sandwich, we'll make some simple improvements to the classic keg McNothing. We'll start with our perfectly toasted English muffin, then spread on some salted butter, then resist the temptation to just eat it because a buttered English muffin is so good. Next, we'll add our perfectly round egg, then add a layer of sliced cheddar cheese, and now we're gonna fry up a slice of ham until it starts breathing like a lung. Then put that on top to create a cheese furnace. And now we're gonna slice up a dill pickle, then sprinkle that miniature pickle dice on top. Then we'll add a slice of tomato and a whisper of salt and pepper. Now mayo the other side of the English muffin and throw on the roof. Feel free to add some hot sauce. And for a more authentic McNucklin experience, you can grab some paper to make a wrapper and open it like a gift. Okay. Hot tip, don't buy recycled paper. Also, don't wrap things in paper, just eat them. That's a damn good McDonald's Egg McMuffin. Let's see here. Ooh, McBesto. We'll start by mixing together mayonnaise with pesto, creating pestes, or mayosto as the Italians call it, I'm pretty sure. We'll slather that onto our toasted, formerly French muffins. Now we'll add the egg wheel and grate some Parmesan cheese. You can probably skip salting the egg on this one since the pesto and Parmesan are salty. Now we'll add sliced tomato, and since I forgot to put the avocado on the bottom, I'm throwing it on the top, but that's a mistake. Put it on the bottom and stamp it down with a fork or boot. And there you have it, a reimagined McDonald's Egg McMuffin, also known as the McBesto. For a more authentic McDonald's atmosphere, you might want to create your own Happy Meal box like this perfect one I made here. Whoop, more like Flappy Meal, am I right? Oh, there's a toy inside. I always love that. Help me. I think I might have ordered the Despair Meal. Let's see here. Oh, the McFancy. We'll start by mayoing our toasted English muffin. It's called an addiction, don't judge. Then we'll add an egg disc, Havarti cheese, and crispy bacon that's probably not quite this overcooked, but the crispiness is what keeps you from dragging the sandwich apart like a wild dog when you bite it. Nothing against wild dogs, just don't undercook it. Now we'll add sliced tomato, a touch of salt, and some pepper, and a couple basil leaves. And now we'll paint the ceiling with mayo, along with a few drops of white truffle oil. This stuff used to be considered high class, but now it's basically the new ranch. And I never would have thought this until I tasted it myself, but you're gonna have to trust me here. This makes for an excellent McDonald's Egg McMuffin. Now, if you want to complete the McDonald's experience, you can make your own playland. I've got this ball pit. Okay. All right. I'll walk back.